So guys, as you can see, I've got a Rubik's Cube here, and that too a scrambled one. I'm going to scramble it once more so that you guys believe I'm not cheating. And I've kept a timer here to check how fast I can solve it. This is actually my first attempt trying to solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as possible. So hope all of your supports are with me. So let's get into it. I'll start it in 3, 2, 1 and start. So this F12 layer just keeps my time longer. And actually right now I'm using the beginner's method and I'm studying the CFOP method right now. So actually I finished it in 52 seconds, but I was a bit late to stop it. See, I have completed it. So I'm going to start the tutorial now. Let's start the intro first. And this is Crazy Gross. So guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are 6 moves in solving a Rubik's Cube. The white cross, 2 white corners, 3 second layer, 4 the yellow cross, 5 the orientation, 6 the yellow corner. Today I will only be teaching the white cross because since it's the first part, I will have to teach you about the moves and the faces, the 6 faces, etc. So today I'll only be teaching about the first step, the white cross. The later parts will be uploaded in the coming days. So, let's talk about the faces. There are 6 faces on a Rubik's Cube. But the best thing that you have to do is learn up by heart the opposite faces. The way to get to know which face is which is by their centerpieces. These centerpieces denote their face. For example, since the center of this face is yellow, the yellow color face should be here. So now learning up the opposite side. The white face, the opposite of the white is yellow. Red, orange, green is blue, and vice versa. So let's get into the topic. The first move is R. R means to rotate the right side clockwise once. So that means this is, now when this is your face, this is your right side, right? So I'm just showing this side for reference. When a clock goes, it goes like this, right? So that means clockwise. If it's anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, you have to rotate it to the bottom part. So that's what I'm going to say now. RI. RI stands for right inverse. So you will be doing it the exact opposite of R. So if this is R, you do the opposite. R, R, I. R, R, I. So the next one is U. U means up. So when this is your face, this is U. When you just see this, when U rotates clockwise, it's like this. So that is a clockwise U. If you say UI, you have to spin it to the counterclockwise side. So U, UI, U, UI. Next, I'm going to say about L. L means the left side, left. So left, no, that's not right. Because see, the left side goes the exact opposite way of the right side. It goes like this. So L, L, I, L, L, I. Left, left inverse. The next part that I'm going to say is front. Since this is your front side, if you rotate it clockwise, it's called front, F. And if you rotate it anti-clockwise, it is called FI, or front inverse. Now coming to D. D stands for down. That is this part. If you say D, this is what you do. Because this, as you say, right, the left side goes exactly opposite to the right. The same way the down side goes exactly opposite the way that U goes, the upper part goes. So if this is U and this is UI, so here it will be opposite, U and UI. You see the clockwise direction, U, UI. That from here it will look like this, U, UI. I mean, sorry, not U, D, DDI. The next one is B. Here, the back side. The back side goes exactly opposite to the front side. So this is F, FI. But here it is like this, B, BI, B, BI. See, it goes like this. So B, BI. I am going to shuffle the cube now. The reason that I told you to by heart the opposite faces is that you'll be able to make the cross, the first cross, very easily. Usually the beginners start with the white cross, but you can start from orange, yellow, wherever you want. But now I'm going to teach you the white cross. To make the white cross, you need this white centerpiece, 2 white edges, and I mean not 2, 4 white edges. So now you think that I have completed the white cross, but no. When you complete a face, the adjacent faces also should be the same. Like, look at this. When I solve this edge, the red face should also match. But here it didn't. The same here. So the best way is, I'm just going to scramble it once more. So the best way is to get all the white edges, all the 4 white edges to the yellow face. So one is already here, the other one is here. So 1, 2, I have inserted it here. Now the second one, the third one, you can insert it wherever you want, but on the yellow side. Where is the next one? Here. So I'm going to take it here because here's the empty space 2 times. So now I have made a white cross in the yellow face. Now what you have to do is, since you are solving it, this is your face. You consider this as yours. Now you have to hold this face as yours. Now you have to check this white piece, is it matching? No. So let's match it. Yeah. Now blue and blue both are the same. So just do F2. Now again, check for the next one. Green. It's here. Green matches. F2 again. So now it's coming in the white face. Again, orange, it's not here. So you get since this is the red face, the orange will be on the other side, because red, or the opposite of red is orange. So just do a U2 and you'll see that this has matched. So again, F2. Now again, the red one, red is here, so F2. Now you have solved the white cross. So stay tuned for the next part of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So hope everyone liked today's video. Please like, share and comment down below if you liked it. And hit that big red button to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to enable notifications.